120 volt or 240 volt supply power should always be present at the electronically commutated motor blower terminals even when the motor is not running. Electronically commutated motors require a continuous line voltage to power the internal control board and keep the motor in standby so it can receive start commands or relay inputs. Check line voltage at the motor terminals with a reliable meter set to the appropriate AC range and measure between the two incoming supply conductors for split system units or between the hot conductor and neutral where applicable. If you find no voltage, verify upstream breakers, disconnects, and any service switches are closed and not tripped before replacing motor components. Confirm the control board has proper low voltage signals present as well, since absence of standby line voltage is different from a missing start command. For systems that can be wired for either 120 volt or 240 volt, document the installed voltage and mark the unit for future service to avoid cross-wiring. Always isolate power and follow lockout-tagout procedures before touching terminals and use insulated tools when working near live conductors. Common mistakes include assuming the absence of motor rotation means there is no supply power present, which can lead to unnecessary motor replacement. Always measure at the motor first and trace back only if voltage is missing. Another issue is testing only with a continuity setting or non-contact tester that will not show true AC line presence. Use a meter and verify the correct voltage across the motor supply terminals and at the disconnect. Technicians sometimes confuse control board fault codes with supply issues, so inspect the actual incoming line conductors and protective devices before changing control boards or motors. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors for HVAC and electrical work, and we help contractors find clients and projects in their area. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share diagnosis tips and wiring experiences.